Good afternoon. My name is Sean Dexter and I welcome you back to the Mango Grove. In the previous video, we talked about Bitcoin USD. In this video, I'll be talking about altcoins and how some of my altcoins are pumping as we speak. I'll be talking about why I took those trades and my outlook on the altcoin market as of today. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so here we have it, XRP BTC, and damn, I'm actually in a winning XRP trade. I've never managed to catch any of the XRP pumps before. I've never taken a loss on XRP, well, not a real loss, small little bits when you're kicked out of your position because it's not trending. This time around, I actually managed to catch this one, a lot of this move. So I'm still in this position. Let's talk about why I took this trade. We can turn up. There are two big reasons, right? XRP was actually the big indication for me that, hey, we might be starting an altcoin run or rally. I got into a few altcoins and they seem to be doing well. Damn. Okay, so we will talk about those as well. Also, why did I take this trade over here? As soon as he popped over the cloud over here, I was very interested in this trade, but I did not take a very aggressive position because we did have the 200 MA lining us up over here, right, as you can see. But since we've already tested it once, I was willing to buy into this because we often, especially after the first test and the rejection, you guys know that's one of my plays, we tend to come in and break it on the second run, right? And so I had it over here. I didn't get the position I wanted. I got in around 2926ish, right? And then we start hitting against the 200 MA right over here, but I was willing to hold my trade. Why? Two reasons. If you switch on over to the Mango Wine, you'll see that, hey, XRP actually flipped green, and I don't even know when was the last time it actually did this. This was actually a big deal, and right after that, switching green, okay, on the Pine. For those of you guys who have access, you guys know what I'm talking about. You didn't even need to look at that. Look at the Ichimoku. That was a big sign, and even on the 4-hour, man, we had a falling wedge over here. Look at it. You can call it falling wedge, falling channel, whatever the hell you want to, but then it broke on over to the upside, right? As soon as we did that, it also lined up with the 12-hour break of the 200 MA this morning, guys, right? Come on, load for me right over there. Okay, this was the sign. Okay, this is where I added aggressively to my position when I woke up in the morning. I was trying to like get my position slowly, but XRP gives you that feeling that's gonna pump in your face at any goddamn moment. So I was like, that's it, I'm just buying the whole thing. I market bought. I wasn't even waiting to get to get filled, and I'm feeling really good about this one. That's a really good one. And this was my thought process. I was like, okay, XRP is looking really good. XLM was sitting against resistance, but I decided to buy it anyways because it usually follows, and I'm gonna go ahead and look at it now. And has it? Okay, cool. It did follow, but it's not broken the resistance I was looking for just yet. So I am in profits already on this one. Let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour. Yep, I'm looking for it. Okay, so we do have like a cupish formation that we have broken out of, but like taking support from the Tenkin over here, popped over the cloud, really good. I bought in over here. You see on this sell over here, right? As soon as this got sold into, that's when I bought in my XLM position, expecting the follow through because XRP was looking good. Now what I'm looking for is XLM. It's done the first step. It's cleared the cloud. It's cleared the 4-hour over the cloud. Now what I'm looking for is for it to clear eventually, at least in the next few 12-hour candles, the 12-hour 200 MA. Now look at this. XLM does have the green cloud that has just twisted red. That's what I don't like. I want this to twist green again. You see this massive move XLM has. It dumped so aggressively, found support at the bottom of the cloud, and now it's looking, the dump over here is what probably caused the red Kumo twist over here, right? Going back on over to XRP, you see XRP doesn't have that. It has a much cleaner setup where the cloud has flipped green. Okay, now talking about targets for XRP, I know I forgot to talk about that. We already have our 12-hour trend trade on hand where I'm going to be leaving most of my trade to run, but on the daily, I do have targets that may surprise you guys. Let me close this over here, Reddit being stupid. Okay, so yeah, the H2H trade on the Ichimoku and the 12-hour, the 200 MA lining up the top of the cloud. You guys know my trade setup on this one. I'm looking for a H2H trade, perhaps a wick on over to the 12-hour, the 200 MA over here, and then closing inside the cloud, something like that, right? Can XRP do it? That's going to be a nice 30% move. Now, does that mean you guys should be forming into your trades over here? This is not financial advice, but I'm liking what I'm seeing. We have the bullish TK cross, and hey, if XRP manages to close over 3095 and And yeah, 3095, if it manages to do that, I'm going to be liking this even more. Some of you might be calling this a inverted head and shoulders. Nah, sure, it doesn't matter to me, to be honest. If it's going to make my trade high probability, so be it. So I'm an XLM, I'm an XRP, I'm in a few alts, man, believe it or not. And you guys know I'm not an alt maniac at all. I've not been in alts for months. It's just that the signs were there, and I'm not freaking I'm not a biased trader. I know some guys are pure BTC guys, pure Ethereum guys. I just want to make pure BTC in the long term, right? I just want to, I'm purist when it comes to making BTC. That's all I care about. Whether it's the downside, whether it's the upside, whether it's sideways. In fact, BTC, oh man, jeez, what a good morning, what a good morning. Let's go ahead and talk about BTC not being sideways. You guys do know I just talked about it, talked about this in the previous video. I took profits off this trade right at the goddamn bottom, and BTC is showing a bounce here. Nice, good bounce. Wow, I'm glad I did this. I do think, wow, it's clear the tank, here. I do think BTC will see some resistance over here, but holy shit, no, it wants to keep going, and it's going right now. It's going to find resistance on the key zone, perhaps 8,020, perhaps. Wow, BTC, what the hell? Okay, keep going. I'm just having a good day, guys. Have some fun with me. So I'm in TRX as well. Let's go ahead and see how that guy is doing. I believe I got in 161ish. Come on, load. 16. No, I didn't get 161ish. On my horizontals, I do have it marked out. Okay, yeah, I got it over here, 163. I got it 163. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Everything's pumping. TRX 173 now. My target is all the way up somewhere around here. Things are looking good. I think this is gonna go. Okay, we do have Kijun over here that we have to, the Kijun resistance that we do have to keep in mind. But I'm looking at some EMAs that I haven't target. Let's go ahead and switch. By the way, guys, if you guys don't have access to the Mango ribbon yet, do shoot me a message and I'll give you guys access. It is completely free. I have added support in there to, where you can click show cloud. This is the older version. Don't worry about this one. I've removed all of these guys, and now you'll have only one tick mark over here saying, one selection box saying show cloud, and it'll show you the cloud as well. Okay, so I've added that for those of you who are using the free version of TradingView, where you can't have multiple indicators, right? And I know that's really frustrating. When I first started off, it was so goddamn irritating to turn on your EMAs, MAs, then delete an indicator and add another one. So that's what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for XRP to come all the way up over here to 206. Probably an unreasonable targets. But I will be taking profits along the way. But the reason I have these unreasonable targets will be very clear to you very soon. We also do have 12-hour edge-to-edge trade on TRX, lining up around that level. The 200 MA on the 12-hour also coming up over there. So I like what I'm seeing. I likey on TRX in profits right now. XLM, yeah, XLM just gave me the target, the alert. Yeah, let's go ahead and look at XLM. Is it breaking that touch the 200 MA? It's not clear though yet, right? So that's that. I'm also in Link. I will be probably doing a separate video for Link. My Link chart is really ugly, but Link has been so goddamn fun to trade, guys. If you look at the 5-hour chart, I gotta give credit to Krisha for this because she pointed this out. If you look at the 5-hour chart, let's go ahead and clear out the Ichimoku for now. We are putting a symmetrical triangle here, broke onto the upside. Symmetrical triangle is this really symmetrical triangle? I guess you could look at it as she showed me a screenshot where she drew it a lot better than me on her trading view. We've decided to have two different pro trading view accounts now because it got frustrating sharing charts with each other. So yeah, now we're looking like we're putting a bull flag over here too. This is a huge volume node over here that I do want us to clear. So if ChainLinK does pump over here, I'll be very happy. I've been in this, you guys know, I took this trade all the way over here. I'm just simply riding the trend now. Have taken some profits, re-added onto my position over here. I was actually looking for this to break down, but it did not break down. And found support, right? So as soon as we bounce over here, I started re-adding into my position over here. Now that's ChainLinK. There's not much to talk about. I guess we could talk about one thing on ChainLinK. We did close a week, right, or on ChainLinK today. Well, we closed a week on everything, but ChainLinK actually cleared its EMAs, right? It cleared the EMA 21, cleared the EMA, the 10 SMA over here. Looking very bullish. Could come and test over here, but I'm going to be playing this on longer term trend trade now. So ChainLinK is also looking good. And why am I? And one last altcoin that I'm in is RVN. I got back into this one today. It's freaking this one was a frustrating one, man. You guys know I've been looking at RVN for a while, like all the way on the 4-hour chart. Let's go ahead and clear this out, and it gets me in, gets me out, gets me in, gets me out. I got back into my trade right here at 3.5, right over here, 3.5. Actually, I may have actually got the tip of this candle right here, this dump. So I woke up in the morning and this pump happened. I'm like, god damn it. And I missed this trade after watching it for so goddamn long. And also looking good though. And I was like, shit. this serves you right for, like, you know, obsessing over a chart, and as soon as you like lose focus and start looking at something else like XRP, it does this on you. But it did give me that pullback right away. So why did I get in over here, right? Because hey, that was a clear like retest. It's trending on the, let me go ahead and switch on over to my other template. It's trending over here on the 21 EMA, as you can see, right? And then when it dumped back in, it came back very close to the 21 EMA. It didn't quite get there, but that was good enough for me. I'm looking for this to have continuation. Why? Because on the 12-hour Ichimoku, which is why what I'm really playing it on, is I'm looking for this to break the 200 MA eventually on the 12-hour. Now this is likely going to, I don't recommend that. This is not the best trade. This is not the best trade. I'm just looking for it to close over 361. If it closes the 12-hour 361, I'll stay in the trade. If not, I'm probably going to get out again. And you know what's going to happen? It's going to pump right after. That's what RVN is going to do to me. RVN was a very good trade for me in the last run. I actually caught a lot of this run, like most of it actually. This time around, I've not been getting too lucky with it, but I just need to get it. You know, the thing is, right, you need to be okay getting in, getting out, because once you catch it, right, and you let it fly, that's it. As a trend trader, that's all you need, right? You need to be okay though taking those frustrating moments, and this is it now for me. I'm hoping that it does break over here. I do want to mention that I won't mention it yet. I don't want to mention it because it's going to look like too much like a call channel, a call video. That's not what this is. I want you guys to learn how to do this yourselves. So why am I bullish on alts? Why am I looking at alts? Okay, now we can go ahead and look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, and that's where it is all coming together for me. And this is the daily. I want to switch on over to the, okay, so we can start with the, okay, by the way, Raven, if it pops into the cloud over here, it'll be very bullish. Okay, so let me go ahead and pull up my Bitcoin dominance chart. I know I'm all over the place here, guys. I do apologize, but I just want to get this video really done quickly. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I want to. TradingView doesn't want to load. I think a lot of people are on TradingView right now. Come on, TradingView. Come on, TradingView. Okay, take your time. I'm gonna have some water. My mouth's dry anyways. Somebody asked me for a video on Ethereum yesterday. I'm gonna try and get to that, man, today. I'm gonna try. I promise I will. Yeah, I'm gonna have to refresh my page. Holy shit. Okay, let's switch on over now to the Bitcoin dominance chart. Where are you? There you are. It's not loading. I don't know why is TradingView doing this. TradingView doesn't want me to show you guys what I am seeing. Jesus Christ, man. Okay, guys, it does seem that TradingView is not allowing me to show the Bitcoin dominance chart for some reason, but I did take a screenshot and show this to Krisha and a couple of other people just this morning, so I'm going to use that screenshot to my advantage. I don't know why, it's just Bitcoin dominance that is not loading. Everything else is loading. I tried Ethereum, and by the way, I'll go ahead and talk about Ethereum. It does seem to be moving right now too. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm looking at on the 2-day Ichimoku on the Bitcoin dominance, right? We've given up the 10K, we've tested it, and I'm looking for that C-span trade towards the bottom. If Bitcoin is going to do, if Bitcoin does meet that move right towards the bottom over here, it means that a lot of the money is going to be flowing into the altcoins, at least from BTC's perspective. So that's what I'm looking at. But hey, if Bitcoin does take that 10K back, I'm going to be like, all right, cool, be trading aggressively on the Bitcoin side again, right? Again, guys, my job over here is only to be making Bitcoin in the long term, right? So this is what I'm looking at. If you guys switch on over to the daily on your Bitcoin dominance, you're going to see an edge-to-edge trade possibility, I do believe, on the Ichimoku. I can't be for sure now because I can't get access to the chart. But let's go ahead and talk about Ethereum right now. I think we can go ahead and hide this. Is that it? Hide the image. Right, I think that's fine now. Okay, cool. So I'm going to switch on to Ethereum quickly. Alright, here we have ETHUSD and we have the Ichimoku on over here on the daily. I think we can go ahead and turn off the Ichimoku. Do we need it right now? Should I keep it on? No. Let's go ahead and clear it. I do think I have my drawing tools already drawn here. Yep, this is the main chart, right, that I was drawing. Actually, let's go ahead and talk about this on the weekly, right? As you can see, Ethereum is finding support at these levels over here. This is major support as well. If you guys were looking to bottom fish, that was the area. But I do want to talk about this on the weekly, right? I drew these trend lines live on those videos with you guys, and these have been, as you can see, it was respected, right? We talked about the upper trend line over here, and I kept the bottom trend line too. I'm like, let's see how that is respected. And as you can see, we found weekly resistance right over there, and we got rejected, and we drove on to the downside. If we extended this, right, extended these guys over here, I'm sure we will see that we find, oops, not this guy, I meant to extend this. I can't do it right now. I don't want to mess up with these lines over here, but I'm pretty sure that this lines up with this wick over here. That being said, you don't want to be playing, like I said, right, diagonal trend lines. Use them only as a tertiary tool. You don't want to be using it as a, it's too subjective. It's too subjective. Going back to what I talked about in the BTC video, right? So let's go ahead and look back on over. Actually, let's switch to another chart where I have my cleaner horizontals for you guys. I think I do have it on BitMEX. Yeah, we can look at it like this, right? As you can see, we have support over here, right at the bottom, so here on the weekly levels too. But if you're looking for the upside, I don't think it's at USD chart that you want to be playing if you want to be collecting Bitcoin. But if you want to collect at USD, I think you want to be collecting USD or collecting more Ethereum by trading it on the Deribit platform or something like that. It's gonna be hard, guys. But again, it's like Bitcoin. We want to close a daily above 174. Then I'm looking for further upside all the way up to 181ish. This zone over here. If we clear this zone over here, which is going to be a major contender or contention zone rather, 185. Then I'm looking for a quick move to 188. I'd probably take that trade. Then after that, you have this zone to deal with. The real thing to be playing is after 206, right? After 206, I'm pretty sure that we're going to make that retest of the 225, 230 area. Oh yeah, that's what you asked, right? Could we get to 220? The guy who asked me to do the video for a theme. This is it, right? This is how you're looking to first clear one thing at a time. But it's not at USD, in my opinion, that you want to be looking at, because the theme has been looking very strong compared to Bitcoin, right? And I was supposed to be taking an ETH trade, and I freaking slacked off on that, and I did not take the trade. I'm pretty sure now if I check the ETH chart, it's probably pumped. Let's go ahead and look at it. I don't even have it on my list over here. This is why I missed it, because I don't have it on my list. I do have it charted out though. Let's go ahead and pull up on Binance. At BTC, let's see what you're doing. There we go. Ooh, I may have an entry. Will you give me an entry? I don't want to overposition though. Like, I'm already exposed to a few alts. If those go in profits, well, they are in profits. If I cash some profits in, perhaps. So as you can see, at BTC, if we did manage to hold, damn it, I should have bought here. If we did manage to hold this daily support over here, these two horizontals, it's a 1 day horizontal support. It's 89 EMA, and it's cloud resistance 2, cloud support 2, I believe on the day. It's on the 12. No, it's actually cloud support on the daily, right? I'm looking for this edge to edge trade. I know it's looking a little bit ridiculous to you guys, but hey, it may pan out. But we have some work to do, right? We have to clear the 2 to 4 region first, and then after we clear this zone over here, then we're looking for that zone over there to the top of the cloud, 200 MA, probably wick to the top of there and close underneath this horizontal on first pass, right? We have these major resistance zones that's coming up over here. These guys over here, these guys over here. That's going to be a major level for Ethereum to break through. If it breaks through, then we are definitely in an altcoin market rally, because then we're going to start trending, and the rest of the also going to trend with it as well. So that's at BTC. Is there anything else I do want to talk about? No, that's it. We have your TK cross. Oh, we can go ahead and talk about the weekly. Why another sign, by the way, for me as to why alts were probably going to run. Okay, by the way, Tenkin coming up over there too, meeting up the target with the cloud. Let's go ahead and zoom on this. It was this guy over here. The fact that this weekly candle was so goddamn bullish, right? Yes, it's red, but look at how it got quickly bought back up, and it was pushed over these horizontals at a major level. It was showing intent, guys. It showed me intent, right? That's what you're looking for from charts. You don't want to just be trading blindly based on indicators. You want to see the meaning behind certain moves, and this showed me intent. You came, tested the 10 SMA, got bought back, and got pushed over these major levels on the BTC chart, right? If you look at the daily, you can see that it supported the daily 21 EMA, I believe, almost perfectly. We never actually lost it, right? Yep, we came in, closed right above it. We wicked underneath, but we closed right above it, right? Yeah, this is really bullish action. So yeah, that's what and there we go, guys. About the 89 EMA, back again over the 89 EMA. Looking good, man. Looking good. Very tempting. But yeah, I'm tired now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? Yeah, strong candle, man. Right off that monthly support that I talked about in the previous video. If you guys missed that video, go ahead and watch that video too. My name is Sean Dexter. I'll try and do a video on ChainLinK today, but I'm tired. Probably not today, probably tomorrow. ChainLinK isn't even moving anyways, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Throw a like, throw a subscribe, hit the bell icon, hit all of that stuff, and yeah, ciao, bye.